إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
I'm sure you've heard of the famous hadith which Imam Abu Dawud has narrated in his Sunan. Imam Tirmizi has also related this. Imam Hakim has also related this and said, "Haza hadithun hasanun sahih." It is an authentic hadith on the authority of Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala an. Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu relates, أمرنا رسول صلى الله عليه وسلم يوما أن نتصدق. That on one occasion, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam, just like there is a gathering here today inside the masjid, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked the Sahaba radiyallahu ta'ala anhum ajma'een to donate in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This was at the time of the Battle of Tabuk. Now Tabuk from Medina to Al-Munawwara is around 700 kilometers away. And the Muslims were to fight with the kuffar. And Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam needed funds to prepare the mujahideen and send them to fight the kuffar in Tabuk. So he sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked for donations in the house of Allah. Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, وَوَافَكَ ذَلِكَ مَالًا عِنْدِي. I was so happy when Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam made this announcement. Why? Because at the time I possessed wealth. And a thought crossed my mind, كَالْيَوْمَ أَسْبِقُ أَبَا بَكْرٍ إِنْ سَبَقْتَهُ يَوْمًا. That if I'm ever to beat this person Abu Bakr in doing good, then today is my chance and today is the day that I will beat this person, because I have wealth and this person doesn't have wealth. Thus I will be able to donate more than him in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He says, I went home, I related this to my wife, and everything that we possessed I distributed equally. I left half with my family and I came faji'tu binisfi mali, carrying half of my wealth on my shoulders. And when Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam saw me carrying my load, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked, Ya Umar, ma abkayta li ahlik? O Umar, what have you brought for me and what have you left for your family? Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, I said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, O Messenger of Allah, abkaytu lahum, that I have left something for them. He sallallahu alayhi wa sallam asked, Umar, what have you left for them? He said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, I distributed everything that I possess in two parts. I have left half for the family and I have brought today half for Allah and His Messenger Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. فَجَاءَ أَبُو بَكْرٍ بِكُلِّ مَا عِنْدَهُ. Then comes Abu Bakr and he is carrying his load on his shoulder, and there is a smile on the face of Umar that today Umar will beat Sayyidina Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu in doing good and donating in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam sees Sayyidina Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu carrying his load, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam poses the same question, Ya Abu Bakr ma abkayta li ahlik? O Abu Bakr, tell me what you have brought for me and what you have left for your family. Sayyidina Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu replies, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, abkaytu lahum Allah wa Rasulah. That everything that these hands possessed, Ya Rasulullah, O Messenger of Allah, I have brought it for you, and with my family I have left Allah and His Messenger Muhammad Rasulullah. Allah will take care of my family. Every single thing. This is just one incident. He possessed, he sacrificed for the sake of Islam.